This is a tutorial for the Elvis song, Kentucky Rain. And I'll show it to you first here as a soloist. So we'll be playing the melody in your right hand. I'll show you the fingering. You're going to start with your thumb on C. When you get your third finger on that E, you're going to go under with your thumb to F. And then your third finger here on A. Third, stretch that down to 3. And lift your thumb up, put your thumb on D. Second finger on F sharp. Your thumb on this A then. And your thumb is we had down on G. Then put your thumb on E. Thumb on C, fourth finger there. Second finger on G. So you got to put your fifth finger here, and then put your fifth finger on G, so you can get down to there. Thumb on A, and then your third finger on A. Second finger. And your third finger is on an A there. So your thumb goes on middle C there. Third finger on this C. On your thumb on this G. And that's pretty much it. Nice thing it's in the key of C, so you don't have to worry about any black keys there. Then you're going to put the chords with the left hand there. Start with a C chord. So it's C, E, G. And you play a G chord there. D, G, B. C on dozen years ago. F on that go, F, A, C. C again on there. F again. Then on the third beat you got a C7, which adds this B flat there on the third beat. F again. G again. D, G, B. Another C there on running. A minor. E, A, C. D7, D, F sharp, A, and C. G7 there on home, D, F, G, B. C chord again, C, G. G is G, or D, G, B. C, E, G, C. F, F, A, C. C chord again. F, minor, E, A, C, D7 to go, again, D, F sharp, A, and C, G7, wrong, D, F, G, B. Then you got a measure with this F7 chord, F major 7th. We'd be playing it down here, F, A, C, and you got an E note. Then you got a D minor, D, F, A, C chord, E, G, C, G, D, G, B, E minor, E, G, B. And then this is kind of quick in this measure. You got to change on each beat. It's A minor. Actually, you could do it like this: A minor, A, C, G, G, B, D, F, A, C, E minor. So that's just same thing like that. That's the easiest way to do it. And F again. And then you got that F major 7th again. C, E minor, E, G, B, A minor, E, A, C, E minor again, E, G, B, A minor again. On searching, it's A minor, it's E, A, C, F, C, G7, D, F, G, B, C, E minor, F, G7. So not that hard with the chords. A couple places where you got to measure with a chord on each beat, but that's just a couple places. So work on it hands alone, and you put it together, and this is what it sounds like here. Just a second here.